Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer to make the sounds louder on the REALME C75 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft, not hard, and we need isopropyl alcohol. It's very important to use this to first soften the dirt, so that the dirt comes out of the buzzer's openings, and then so that it evaporates and leaves no trace. You can buy both the diffuser and the brush as a set, Allegro or Amazon. And if not, you can try using just a toothbrush, but make sure it's soft or medium bristled, because if it's hard, it could scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off. Never clean your phone while it's turned on, because you could damage it. So if it's on, you need to turn it off by holding down the volume up and power buttons. Then a menu will pop up and you select the power off option. We thoroughly wet the toothbrush. Hold the phone steady with your hand. Here we have the buzzer openings. We clean these buzzer openings. Each opening is separate. It's best to do it 5 times each, so that it's perfectly cleaned. Once you've done it 5 times in each direction, then do the same in the opposite direction. 5 times towards the display, 5 times in each direction of the openings, and then towards the back cover the same way. Each of these openings should be cleaned 5 times. If the buzzer is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat the process. Do it 2 to 3 times in each direction, which means 30 to 40 strokes each way, to make sure it's perfectly clean. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. Only after this time can you turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.